It's time for Health Yes with Genesee Health Plan. Today we're talking about back to school basics and how families can get linked with resources in mid-Michigan. We're here today with Sherika Finklea, Genesee Health Plan health worker coordinator, and Kerry Downs, Crim Fitness Foundation representative. Thank you both for being here with us today.
Thank you.
All right, so this is an exciting topic, very timely for the month of August. Can you tell us about the Flint Community Education Initiative?
Yeah, so the Flint Community Education Initiative, as led by the Crim Fitness Foundation, is a community-wide strategy to establish our schools as neighborhood hubs so that we can support student success, partner with parents, and cultivate vibrant communities. So we're in 13 Flint area schools serving our students and families there.
Fantastic goal. So what is a community health worker's role in the upcoming school year?
So the community health worker's role is primarily to link families to resources. We want to make sure that our families have access to health care in every arena of that, with making sure they have coverage, making sure that they get linked to their doctors, dentists, and things like that. But above and beyond that, we want to make sure that our families get connected to the resources that they need so that they can be overall successful.
They're very important. So what are some of the new changes happening this year in some of the schools?
So I think we're really excited about the Flint Community Schools' new balanced calendar. And in fact, students actually reported for school yesterday as the first day of school, quite early, but we're excited because in addition to the 180 days as required by the state of Michigan that our kids are in school, we also are going to offer intersessions throughout the year. So we're shortening that summer break so that we can really address summer slide, where our kids lose a lot of the gains that they made the previous year. And we'll have 5 intersessions throughout the year to keep kids and families engaged with the learning and all of those fantastic resources that we bring to the table.
Now, you mentioned that balanced calendar. What are some of the benefits to doing that in our school systems?
Yeah, so that summer slide, what we see in a traditional calendar where kids are sometimes away from school and learning for 10 weeks, oftentimes some of our even most needy kids don't receive any services that they need for learning or to continue to thrive. And so those 10 weeks over the summer, they may seem like this break that we give our kids, but what we really do is kind of have them lose some of the ground that they've gained. And so the balanced calendar gives us an opportunity for year-round to have kids stay connected with great learning, and then also to be able to work with great partners like GHP, and making sure that our families and students receive all the services that they need and they're never disconnected, so that our families can thrive.
Puts a little bit more of that connection in there, going back a little earlier, doesn't it?
Right, and it does. And the other part of it is that we have an opportunity for kids to get some real-time support instead of waiting till the end of the year and then hopefully getting you connected in summer school. Throughout the year, you can connect with great academic support and great enrichment activities at the same time. So we really are giving them that real-time support that they deserve.
All right, well, fantastic. Thank you both for being with us today. We appreciate it. Some great information there. And if you want to learn more about today's topic, make sure to log on to the TV5 Facebook page. We will be there right after the news at 9 is over, answering your questions.